right, right there. Pick it up. Yeah, just break it that motor down. That's all we got to do.
There you go.
Oh.
You good. You good. Pick it on a better there. Get a trend.
I can get my transmission down. All right, come on up. Hey, ho. Get down on the carburetor again. Hold on. Back down. I don't need the carburetor, but oh, there you go. That's good. It's good.
You pick the back up a little more now.
Come on.
You want to.
All right, come on. Lay it down.
Yeah, there's the motor mount.
Lay it on down. Come on down. All right.
Get on up now.
You get straight up. Ain't gonna do it like that.
It's hung on the exhaust stand.
Hey, look, you need to go out.
It's hung on the.
He need to go back to the truck.
The motor mount's hung on the exhaust.
Then go back. Go back.
Oh,
back.
it's hung on the exhaust, kid.
No, he gotta go back. He's coming.
Hey, Will. It's out. It's out.
All right. Pick it up. Oh, man, I ain't get the... Ho. I ain't get the cable out. I took the boat out. I didn't pull the cable out.
You sure?
Oh, Lord. Hey, you broke it.
He said, well, you done broke it.
All right, it's coming to you. There you go. All right, we'll turn it to you.
Roll the bucket out. Roll the bucket out, too. Roll the bucket out to pick it up.